Todo Tales. Hello, little friends. Today we're going to meet some amazing people who help our community every day. Let's find out who they are and what they do. Doctor. A doctor keeps us healthy and helps us when we're sick. Teacher. A teacher helps us learn new things every day. Police officer. A police officer keeps us safe. Firefighter. A firefighter protects us from fires. Farmer. A farmer grows the food we eat. Garbage collector. A garbage collector keeps our neighborhood clean. Nurse. A nurse takes care of us and helps us recover when we are unwell. Chef. A chef cooks delicious food for us to enjoy. Mechanic. A mechanic fixes our vehicles to keep them running smoothly. Plumber. A plumber fixes pipes and ensures we have clean water. Librarian. A librarian helps us find books and learn new things. Dentist. A dentist helps us take care of our teeth and keeps our smiles healthy. Taxi driver. A taxi driver helps us travel safely to where we need to go. Scientist. A scientist studies the world and discovers new things to make life better. Astronaut. Astronauts explore space and help us learn about the universe. It's time for some fun! Let's play some exciting activities together. Are you ready? Let's go! Guess the helper image. Here's our first picture. Look at the image. This person takes care of our teeth. Is it A, teacher, B, dentist, C, plumber? Pause the video and think of an answer. That's correct. It's B, dentist. Next one. Look closely at this picture. This person keeps us safe and wears a uniform. Is it A, dentist, B, nurse, C, police officer? Yes, it's C, police officer. Here's the next one. Look at this image. This person helps us when we're sick. Is it A, nurse, B, chef, C, astronaut? That's right, it's A, nurse. Let's try this one. Look at the picture carefully. This person travels to space and studies the stars. Is it A, astronaut, B, farmer, C, librarian? Yes, it's A, astronaut. Last one. Look at this image. This person grows the food we eat. Is it A, teacher, B, farmer, C, firefighter? right. It's Bee Farmer. Great job, friends. Now, we're going to play an exciting game called Match the Tools to the Helpers. Every helper in our community uses special tools to do their important work. I'll show you a tool, and your job is to guess which helper uses it. Are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, friends, here's our first tool. This is a stethoscope. Do you know which helper uses this tool? Take a moment to think. Is it a teacher, a scientist, a chef, or a doctor? Yes, that's right. A doctor uses a stethoscope. Now, here's the next tool. This is a knife. Who uses this tool in their job? Is it a teacher, a scientist, or a chef? Correct. A chef uses a knife. Here's the next one. This is a chalkboard. Who uses this to teach and write lessons? Is it a teacher, a scientist, a chef, or a doctor? That's correct. A teacher uses a chalkboard. And here's our final tool for today. This is a microscope. Who do you think uses a microscope? Is it a teacher, a scientist, a chef, or a doctor? Yes, a scientist uses a microscope. Fantastic work, everyone! Who am I? In this activity, I'll give you clues about a community helper, and you have to guess who I am. Ready? Let's start! Who am I? I help you when you're sick. I wear a white coat. I use a stethoscope. Pause the video and think of an answer. That's right. I'm a doctor. Next one. I put out fires. I wear a helmet. I use a big hose. Who am I? Yes, I'm a firefighter. Well done. Here's the next one. I work in a classroom. I use a chalkboard. I teach you new things. Who am I? Correct. I'm a teacher. Try this one. I work in a kitchen. I chop vegetables. I cook yummy food. Who am I? Yum! I'm a chef. Great guessing. Last one, I travel to space. I wear a spacesuit. I explore stars and planets. Who am I? Awesome! I'm an astronaut. Fantastic work! Wow, friends. We learned so much about community helpers today and the amazing jobs they do to make our lives better. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Todo Tales for more fun and learning. See you next time! Bye-bye!